espresso, hot ginger, sugar syrup, steamed milk, milk foam, and a dash of nutmeg foam. Original cold construction, ice, chocolate syrup, espresso, ice, cold ice, chocolate syrup, espresso, banana, milk foam, and for garnish, I put dark chocolate with nuts and
Okay, lakuan na rin sila guys.